In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly and safely clean your Apple Vision Pro. I bought some stuff on Amazon and they're the perfect thing and the right thing to use when you clean your very expensive Apple Vision Pro. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So here's a look at the box. They are the Zeiss lens wipes. This is a pack of 200. I bought them, like I said, on Amazon, and they're very inexpensive. You can get a smaller box if you wish. You can see using the folded wipe, lightly clean away dust and dirt, unfold the wipe and clean the surface using circular movements. Dries in seconds for a streak-free clean. Only use wipe when it is damp. And then you can see you got streak-free, you've got no scratch, you've got fast drying, plastic-free wipe. Inside the box, you can see every single one of these is individually wrapped, meaning they're gonna stay fresh for basically as long as they're good for. And they're really easy to use, and that's exactly what you're gonna need and want to use to clean your Apple Vision Pro. Now, the first thing I would do before I start cleaning is I would take the battery off. Next, I would take this off, the light blocking and the comfort. And that just gives you easier access to wiping everything down. And you can wipe the inside with these as well. Obviously, you're gonna be able to wipe every single glass part with these because they're meant for it. Everything on here is basically Zeiss lenses and everything else on here, so you can just wipe these really good and clean. Circular motions, and this is still wet, so I'm gonna use it on the front as well so that all the cameras now can look great and film great and see everything. And just wipe that whole glass part over with this. You're gonna get everything super clean, get the dust off, get the fingerprints. It's gonna get all that stuff. And you can even wipe these parts off as well. No problem with this, it's just plastic anyway. If it's, you see any grime or dust or anything on there, all of that should be good. You get the lenses, the cameras down here towards the bottom, clean all that. And mine's not terribly dirty, but if you're just trying to get it as clean as possible, you should be able to with these. They work awesome. Here's a closer look. And then just put everything back together. So there you guys go. That is how to easily, properly, safely clean your Apple Vision Pro. If you want to pick up those Zeiss wipes, they're linked down below. They're very inexpensive. They're on Amazon. You'll get them in like a day or two. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.